Replacing the filters in your AquaTru Model 1? First, unplug your Model 1 or turn off your water supply. Remove the front cover by pushing it down and pulling it forward. Rotate the old filters a quarter turn counterclockwise and remove. Then, install the pre-carbon, reverse osmosis, and VOCC filters into their respective positions, following the colors and names on the labels. Reconfigure the bypass valves. Valve 1 needs to be in the closed position, while valve 2 needs to be in the open position. Connect a spare length of 1/4 inch tubing to the outlet of valve 2 and place it in your bucket or container. Plug in the unit or turn on the water, then flush 5 gallons of water through the filters. Check for leaks. Unplug the units and return the bypass valves to the original position. Valve 1 needs to be in the open position and valve 2 needs to be in the closed position. If you do not configure these valves correctly, your system will not fill with water. Plug in the unit and allow the system to fill. Let it run for a few minutes with the front panel removed to check for leaks. Once confirmed, reinstall the front panel and enjoy clean, pure water. For further assistance, please contact customer service.